I don't want to stay into the end of this video because you're going to see the Potomac River probably in a way you've never seen it before. It is quite interesting, the perspective that we're going to see it. And this is Turkey Run Park. So this is off of George Washington Memorial Parkway. This is 700 acres of land that consists of streams, riverbanks, upland forest, and more. This hike is short. So as you can see from this video, we get from the parking lot to the river rather quickly. I'm not moving at a very fast pace, but there is going to be a significant elevation change on this video. I still think it's important for you to take this hike. I just want you to be prepared, right? Be prepared. There's a steep decline to the river, which means that there's going to be a steep incline to get back. While it only took me 8 minutes to get down, it took me about 15 minutes to get back up, and I was quite winded. It's a lot of stairs. You're going to see them as we come up on this particular tour. I don't think that Turkey Run Park is ever going to be a very popular park because of the steep terrain that you must traverse. And this park in McLean is competing against Great Falls, also Scotts Run Preserve. So those two parks by themselves have waterfall features. They also give you access to the river. So if you want to knock out two adventures in one hike, those runs are going to probably give you your best bang for your buck. But if you're looking for some diversity, because on this channel, we already have Scotts Run Preserve, we already have Great Falls, we have the entire walking tour of those parks, not all of the trails, but a few of the trails. So it's important for me to come and capture this for our channel, for our viewers, so that now we can say we have all of the McLean parks that border the river. And this one it's a cool one. If you look out from this view here, you notice that we're looking at the top of trees maybe 20 yards in front of us. We're going to go all the way to the bottom of those trees, and these trees are quite tall. This path is very narrow. There's not really much room to pass anyone on this trail. I don't know if I would recommend it if you visit this park when it's raining because of how steep the decline is, and a lot of the trail is just dirt, compacted dirt. But outside of that, it's a gorgeous view. It kind of feels uninterrupted. I feel like Scotts Run Preserve, while it is a more adventurous hike, it still kind of feels like a lot of it is planned. This right here, this looks like there aren't too many plans outside of the monster staircase that we're going to go through. So this hike right here really feels like this could be your last moment. You know what I'm saying? This could be it. One thing to note, on Google Maps, you may get sent to or guided to I think it's a park ranger station. So this park is managed or owned by the National Park Service, and then it's managed by George Washington Memorial Parkway. The National Park Service, I believe they have their headquarters at one of the stops or one of the exits that Google will send you to. And if you get off at that exit, you may think that you are in the wrong location. That's not true. You're just on the other end of the park. This happened to me as well. So just look in your navigation system, whatever you're using, Google Maps, Waze, Apple product, and look for the other entrance or the other parking lot, right? So a lot of the parks have two parking lots. The same is true for Turkey Run Park. Okay, so we're about to get to the good stuff. I'm going to stop talking so that you can kind of experience this glorious view that you're about to behold. If you're looking to buy a home, sell a home, or invest in real estate, this is a real estate channel. It's called Where to Live in Northern Virginia. My name is Abraham Walker with Ask A Walker, your Northern Virginia real estate agent. There is a link in the description to the Perfect Home Questionnaire. If you're ready to start your real estate journey, click that link, schedule time to meet with me, and we will conduct the meeting on Zoom, and I'll answer any and all of your questions about real estate. All right, so that's enough for me. Enjoy the rest of the tour. If you've ever been here, let me know in the comment section. I will see you all in the next video. Peace.